Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on jQuery. We're going to learn about targeting the same element with multiple jQuery selectors. So this is pretty much doing the same thing we've done before. And we're just adding this. We're going to add the same elements. We're going to add class to different elements as well, one at a time, pretty much. So for this exercise, it wants to add animated class to all elements with type button. So we go $, parentheses, quotations, button, and then we do add class. And then the class we're adding is animated and semicolon. And next we want to add shake class to all buttons with class btn. So we do $, parentheses, quotations, dot for the class, btn, dot add class, shake, and lastly, $, target one. So $, parentheses, quotations, hashtag for target one. Yeah, target one doesn't already have a hashtag. And then add class, parentheses, btn primary. See, it's blue. And that'll be all for this one. Thank you so much.